we are back again. Let us discuss our new lesson. Okay, then come on. That is page number 50 पे देखो ना. दो भाई. That means two brothers. It's the story about two brothers. Let us see what happens. दो भाई थे. They were two brothers. बड़े की शादी हो गई थी. The first one was married. उसके दो बच्चे भी थी. He had two children also. छोटा कुंवारा था. So the elder one was unmarried. He was single, bachelor. दोनों भाई साझा खेती करते थे. So both of them were sharing the land into equal and doing their farm and they doing their work. Okay. एक बार उनके खेत में गेहूं की फसल पकाकर तैयार हो गई थी. So गेहूं means it's wheat. So once they the wheat harvest for wheat crop was ready. So once the harvest for wheat crop was ready, then let us see what happened. इसके बाद दोनों ने आधा आधा गेहूं बांट लिया. After this, both of them took equal parts of wheat. They harvested the wheat and took equal parts. अब गेहूं टोकर घर ले जाने बचा था. So remaining was to carry this wheat into house in basket. Remaining was they wanted to carry the wheat in a basket to their house. So what happened with that? रात हो गई थी. So after harvesting, the time gone to be night. So night it is not possible to carry it home. Then what did they do? इसीलिए काम अगले दिन ही होने था. So because it was night, they used to do in the morning, next morning only. So they wanted to do the remaining work in the next morning itself. रात को दोनों को फसल की रखवाली के लिए खलिहान पर ही रुकना था. खलिहान means where the wheat are stored, granary. So they wanted to keep the wheat in their granary. दोनों को भूख भी लगी थी. So it was feeling hungry also. Both of them they were feeling hungry. So what can they do? How can they keep the harvested wheat there itself? They can't, right? So what did they do? Let us see. Come. उन्होंने बारी-बारी से खाने का सोचा. So they thought of eating more because they have worked very hard today. So they were very hungry and they wanted to eat their stomach filled. So what did they do? They kept the wheat in the granary and one person, that is the elder brother, started to go home to eat the food. Then the younger brother was staying there itself. So further, पहले बड़ा भाई खाना खाने घर गया. See, for first, big brother went to home to have his food. छोटा भाई खलिहान पर ही रुक रहा. So the younger one stayed there itself near the granary. वह सोचने लगा, भाई की शादी हो गया. So the younger one started to think, my elder brother's marriage is over and he has two children also. So he will need more wheat than me. So I wanted to share more wheat. So what can I do? But I am not willing to share more wheat. So what can I do? Let us see. वह सोचने लगा भाई की शादी हो गई है. उनका परिवार है, इसीलिए उन्हें ज्यादा गेहूं की जरूरत है. See, he has family, so he needs more grain. So what can I do? यह सोचकर उसने अपनी ढेर से कई टोकरी गेहूं लेकर बड़े भाई वाले ढेर में मिला दी. So what did he do means he started to mix some wood powder into his bade brother's wheat. So he started to mix some powder of wood into bade brother's wheat to make to see a more quantity. What is cheating, right? They should not cheat like this because they are brothers. If they talk each other, the matter will be over. Then why should he cheat like this? That's bad of him, right? Okay. So let us move. What happened? बड़ा भाई थोड़ी देर में खाकर लौटा. So after some time, his big brother came back. छोटा खाना खाने घर चला गया. And the second one went home to have food. बड़ा भाई सोचने लगा, मेरा तो परिवार है, बच्चे हैं, वे मेरा ध्यान रख सकते हैं. So the elder brother also started thinking, I have a family, I have 2 children, so they will take care of me. लेकिन but छोटा भाई अकेले है. See, what did the elder brother think? My younger brother is all alone. There is nobody to take care of him. Then what happened? उसे देखने वाला कोई नहीं है. There is nobody to look after him. उसे ज्यादा गेहूं की जरूरत है. So he needs more wheat. उसने अपने ढेर से उठाकर कई टोकरी गेहूं छोटे भाई वाले गेहूं के ढेर में मिल दी. So what did he do? He wanted to mix his wheat with his brothers, but he did not know that he was cheated. So what happened? Both of them also were cheated each other. So was the story good? Enjoy. So there is a moral. What is the moral? You should not cheat each other, because our brothers, we should treat them as our own. They are our own. So we should not cheat them in any manner. Not only brothers, anyone. We should not try to cheat anyone. Last it will come and